Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create Wells Fargo account online. So let's jump right in. First, open your favorite web browser and type Wells Fargo into the search bar. Click on the official link that says Wells Fargo, Bank, Financial Services, and Online Banking. That'll take you straight to their login page. If you already have an account, that's great, just sign in with your username and password. But if you're new here, tap the Enroll button right next to Sign On to begin the setup process. To kick things off, enter your Social Security number SSN or Individual Taxpayer Identification number ITIN along with your date of birth. Don't have those? No worries, you can also enroll using your Wells Fargo card number, loan number, or account number. Once that's filled in, hit Continue and follow the prompts to complete your registration. After verifying your personal info, you'll officially have access to your brand new Wells Fargo online banking account.